Mr. Seagull.
The seagull and crows devouring their meal. There appears to be a seagull and two crows, and they appear to be devouring their meal. I have no idea what it is that they're eating, but it seems that they seem to be enjoying it because they're eating it quite quickly and quite vigorously as well. And now there are more of them. Still one seagull, but more crows have decided to join in the meal, the incredible feast. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.